This video demonstrates how to install stable OpenStack with Neutron and Swift. First, let me install stable OpenStack. Go to the Devstack project and find the one of the stable branch. So if you click here you can see the stable branch, stable Havana and stable Ice House. So I am going to install this stable Ice House. So let me copy the URL. So right now I am in home directory. Let me create one folder. Already there. So inside that I am going to clone the stable Ice House branch of this Devstack project. I think net down. Let me connect it again. Okay. Okay, it's completed. Let me go to Devstack folder. So let me check the branch. So I cloned stable icehouse branch. Then I am going to run this. Here you can see a couple of scripts like stack.sh and stack.sh and rejoin stack.sh. Okay, I'm going to run this stack.sh. This script will install this stable icehouse. So I am going to install this stable icehouse and let me check what are the default project coming with that icehouse release. Then I will show you how to install the project which are not there in the icehouse release, like Neutron, Shift. This will take time. Okay, it's completed. Let me open dashboard. So here we can see Horizon is available at this particular URL. Keystone is serving at this particular URL. So default users are admin and demo. Password Nova. Okay. Okay, let me log in as admin. So go to this project tab. So here you can see compute and orchestration. So by I think the Icehouse release of Devstack has this heat service. So it included the heat service in the Icehouse release of Devstack. That's why we are seeing this orchestration tab here. Then compute, inside compute, there is you can see. So I think somewhere in settings, system info. So I think there we can see, yeah, the services which are enabled or which are installed by this Devstack script. So these are services which are enabled. So it is there. So by default it will install heat. So then next I will show you how to. Right now it does not have Neutron and object storage or shift. So I will show you how to install those services, Neutron and shift. So let me log out, then go to your Devstack folder, then create one file named local rc. Okay, then go to your Devstack project, the in the GitHub site. So here if you scroll down, here you can see one readme. So if you scroll down again, you can see how to enable this shift. So here is a shift here. It's explaining how to configure Devstack to install shift. So we need to put this line enable service, then these are the name of the services. We need to put this line in local rc file, in this file. So this is for enable shift. Okay, next we need to enable Neutron, right? For that, if you scroll down, you can see the Neutron section here. Let me copy these lines and put it here. So the first line is disabling the default Neutron network, default Nova network. Then it's installing the Neutron network. Q means quantum. Okay, so these two sections are enough to install shift and Neutron. So let me save this file. So here you can see that file, .c file, and let me, if you stack again, you can't do that because we already did that stack, right? So we need to run the unstack script, this unstack script. So first we need to do that. First unstack that. So unstack, what this unstack script will do, it will stop all the services which are running. Stopping Apache 2. Okay, done. Now you can run the stack. So give the password for database RabbitMQ service token, service password for Horizon and Keystone. Nova. Enter random shift hash. I am giving no errors. Okay, let it complete. Okay, it's done. Okay, let me check the dashboard. If you go to /opt stack, you can see what are the projects which get installed. So here you can see it installed Neutron, then it installed, where is shift? Here you can see the shift, Horizon, Heat, Nova, Keystone, Cinder. Okay, it's taking time. We go to pt stack cd Neutron. Let me check the branch. Okay, it's stable isos shift That's also stabilizers. No, it's not login. Admin Nova. Okay, go back to Devstack folder. So let me open local RC. Okay, so it added those passwords here. So next time when we run this stack.sh, that will not ask for the password. So if you this way you can add the password in the local RC file. Okay, okay, it's logged in. So let me check what are the new tabs available in the horizon. See here you can see network and object store. Click on network topology. Here you can see the small and normal, then networks are outage. Okay, so you use can do create router, create network, can use launch instance from here also. Okay, okay, let me move to object store. Here you can see containers. Click on that. Create container. For example, container 1. Container access, keep public. Container created successfully. View details. Close. So click on C1. So in this container we can upload object, create sudo folder. So object name ob1. Let me browse one file, for example this way. Upload object. So it has one object, size 21.1 KB. So if you want to see that object, click on this container C1. Here you can see the object. So you can download the object from here, or you can copy, edit, delete object. You can do those things. Let me download. So you can this way you can download the object. Okay. Similarly for network, let me create a network 1, subnet and subnet details. Subnet name s1. Can we network address 192.168.0.0/24. Next, create. Okay, it's created this N1 network. So if you want to create a router R1, create router, restart. Here can put here view router details. So you can do add interface in router. There is a lot of other things you can try. So I don't know much about this network. You can try that. Okay. So this way you can enable network and shift in your Devstack setup. Suppose if you want to disable this, there is two options. You can remove this. You can remove this, all those things, and save this file, and you can do unstack, then stack again. Then this shift and network will get removed from the your Devstack setup. That's the one option. So another option is this one. You can make this enabled like this. We can change this to disable and make all the put it back to enable, then make these to disable, disable, make all these to disable. So what this means, this disabled the shift, then enabled no network back, and disabled all these Neutron services. Okay, then save this file and do unstack, then do sorry disable command not found. Sorry, this error. Disable. Okay, then do unstack, then stack it again. So this way you can disable the shift and Neutron services. Okay.